Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to Shallou on this channel with the song called Hair. So a beautiful song, and the chord progression goes on and on in the same way, so that is great and easy to handle. Let's start to set our capo here on the 5th fret, and we have 4 different chords to learn. So the first one will be B minor. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. And that rest will be 4th here on the D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd on B. That's B minor. Then we have A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Then we have D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, and open B this time. Most of the times on this channel we have it on 3rd B, this time open B, and I will tell you the reason soon. And the final will be 3rd on E. Yeah, so the reason for us to have the capo here set on the 5th fret and these chords, and even the G chord here with the open B string, that is because we want to highlight certain notes to this strumming here, which is played in the original song. So that is the reason. So before we go into the chord progression, we will look at a strumming pattern that we will use for this song. And this strumming will be down, down, up, up, down. So that is one strumming round. So if we illustrate that with a B minor, down, down, up, down, it will sound like this. Okay, so down, down, up, down. Okay, so the chord progression will be B minor to A to D. So far, one strumming round for each chord, B minor, A, and D. It will sound like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And then we have G and A. So for the G, you just do the down, the first down from the strumming pattern. And then you continue with the down, up, down to A. Okay, so you should play G down. Alright. So down on G and then down, up, down on A. So you kind of just jump on the D and switch to A very, very fast there. So it's just a down. Right, like that. So that was the first half, so to speak, of the chord progression. So to repeat, B minor, 1 strumming round, A1, D1, and then we have this jump on G and to A. Okay, then you're gonna start all over again from B minor, 1 strumming round, then A, 1 strumming round, and then G, 2 strumming rounds. So the full chord progression, and that is the one that goes on through the entire song, will be B minor, A, D, and then we'll have this G, A, then B minor, A, and G 2 times. Alright, so that is the chord progression and the strumming. Now, we mentioned here we need to highlight certain notes. And we have a kind of a medley going on in this song, and it's something like this. Something like that. So all these notes we will try to highlight when we are strumming the chords, and they belong to the chords. So for B minor here, for instance, if find the note there on the B string, 3rd fret B string, which you're holding here with the B minor. So try when you are strumming, try to land or even kind of highlight this B string a little bit more. And you will see on these different chords here, all chords will be, all notes will be found on the B string except for the G chord. So yeah, that is the string you want to try to highlight. So strum around this B string here, this one, and the same goes for A. Still here on the 2nd fret B string, and you're holding this note with the A chord here. And then we have the D chord. Pardon me, I said all except from the G. Even the D chord here, you found the note here on the 2nd fret E string. So on the D chord, you want to play the E a little bit more prominent there. So okay, like this. And then you have the G. And this is the reason for us playing the open B string here, because the note will be on just that note, open B. Okay, this was just a jump on the G, and then you shift to A quickly. And on this A again, you will find the note you need on the 2nd fret B string. And then the next round will be B minor, still 3rd fret B string. The A, 2nd fret B string, and the final 2 G's on the open B. So slowly, it will be like this, and I will try to highlight the notes. So let's go. So that is one idea of how you can handle this song and this melody with the strumming from Shallou called Hair. So good luck with this beautiful song here, and I hope you will nail even the melody. I trust in you. Do your homework and it will be perfectly fine. So see you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.